welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get MrBeast's head in Minecraft. This is an amazing command. It's insane. And look at that, now it's raining. This is going to be hype. Alright, now that we've waited for super long, and I totally didn't just set the weather to clear because you don't see that command. Now I'm going to actually teach you guys how to get the head. Alright, I'm going to teach you guys in 3 simple steps. First, type in this command, give @player, Minecraft player head, and then skull owner name MrBeast. After that, you're going to click enter, and you're going to get MrBeast's head, and you can do whatever you want on it. You can place it down, you can put it on your head. There you go. Hope you enjoy this video, and hope you do this in your own world. Have a nice day. See ya.